How to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So try these steps to fix it. First of all, make sure AirDrop is enabled. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen from your iPhone's home screen, and there you will get to see the AirDrop option available. Make sure that it is enabled, or you can also try switching it off and back on again. Once done so, all you have to do is make sure that you have turned on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. AirDrop requires both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Simply drag down the control center again and make sure to enable the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Disable the personal hotspot if it is active. Now, all you have to do is look for the Settings app and simply tap on it. Once inside the Settings app, scroll and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, tap on the AirDrop option available. Inside AirDrop, all you have to do is select everyone for 10 minutes. It is recommended for testing. If you are not visible, then everyone for 10 minutes will make you visible. Also, make sure you bring your devices closer. AirDrop works best when both devices are within 10 meters or 30 feet of each other. Then restart the both devices. Simply long press on the volume plus power button, then slide to power off appears, then slide it and wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. A simple restart often fixes connection issues. Lastly, all you have to do is tap on the General option available inside your settings. Then in General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.